Hello kids! Rainbow's a beautiful wonder of nature. Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? Rainbows are one of the most beautiful and interesting things in nature. A rainbow is like a big, colorful smile in the sky. It happens when the sun shines through the raindrops in the air. The raindrops act like tiny prisms, bending the light and separating it into all its different colors. The colors of the rainbow always appear in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can remember the colors using the acronym ROIBIF. Rainbows can appear in different shapes and sizes. Sometimes you can see a big, bright rainbow stretching across the whole sky. Other times, you might see a smaller, fainter rainbow hiding behind a cloud. Rainbows are not just beautiful to look at, they also have a special meaning. They remind us that even after a storm, the sun can still shine brightly. Rainbows are a wonderful and interesting part of nature. They bring joy and happiness to people all around the world and remind us of the beauty and magic of the world we live in.